Hello and welcome to Stealth Traders. We're going to be looking at our linear regression channel, or LRC, which is often used to indicate buy and sell signals. This is a moving linear regression study which plots a true channel that rotates with price. So we're looking at the 5-minute and how we like to use this. When trend is down and our channel is tilting down, we go short at the top of the channel, and there's our move all the way down to the bottom. We don't like to go short at the bottom of the channel. The trade will go against you. So that's pretty simple. Let's look at this. All right, let's go to a 133 tick, which is pretty volatile, and it'll show you how the channel will rotate with price. It can be used on any time frame, tick, monthly, weekly, daily. So here's our 133. We have a slight tilt up. We buy at the bottom of the channel, and there's your trade. Now let's look at a feature that we have to show you where price distribution is within the channel, which to my knowledge no other study has this. So we'll look at this historically, where price has been. And here's a 133. If you want to scalp, just a quick hit. Your trend is down. The red color, the darker color, indicates the channel's tilted down, and the green indicates that the channel historically was tilted up. Like I said earlier, we're going to short top of the channel. There's your short. You can add on all the way down to the bottom. And this could be used in conjunction on multiple charts. Let's say you're looking at a 5-minute and you're looking for an entry signal and the trend is down. So you can use a 5-minute with the 133 or 266. Those work pretty well together. Let's look at this and do a little flip side here, and let's go to the YM. Does the same thing on the YM. Your trend is up, so we want to buy at the bottom of the channel. The lowest band in this particular instance is the highest probability, and there you go. We don't want to go long here. The trade will go against us. It's very simple. Removes the possibility of any emotional decision making. It's truly amazing. Let's go to a higher time frame on the YM. Now we'll go to a 5-minute. I'm sorry, 15-minute. Historically, trend is up. Buy. Very simple. Let's look at another contract. How about the euro dollar? We can go to, let's go to a daily. Look at that, pretty amazing. Very efficient. Here's your price distribution, your price action within that distribution. Your trend is down. Top of the channel, we go short. Simple, all the way down. You can add on again. You can exit and get back in. The right shoulder is live, and of course the trend is down, so you again be at the top of the channel and you go short. Very accurate. It's a mathematical and statistical model for determining price distribution, like I said earlier. Let's look at some of the bells and whistles that we have to actually help you trade more efficiently if you're looking at multiple charts. Let's just go back into the file. We'll go to properties. I keep the default set at 30. That's for periods back. That would just change the length of the channel, but none of the other proprietary model of the channel. As you can see, trend up, we buy. Tilted up, we buy. We'll go back to the default. Also mentioning the midline, which is an option, and this shows regression of price. It's not necessary to use because we're concerned with the top of the channel bands and the lower channel bands. So just hide that. And then as you see here, we have our alerts. I'll turn the line crossings on. I have these set to yellow, orange and yellow for the lower and upper. And let's see how we put our alerts on. So wave 1. So when it hits these top or bottom, you'll have an actual alert that will notify you of a potential trade to generate. Let's just go back to lower time frame. Let's go back to the ES. And there it goes yellow. So there's a potential alarm there, which turns at the top of the channel and it's yellow. And then we go short, goes down to the bottom of the channel. Pretty efficient. This is the only study that will tell you when you're overbought or oversold in a trend. There's no other study out there that does this. Period. There are other linear regression indicators out there, but the key factor, the channel width, in our indicator is based on a proprietary formula developed and tested over 30 years. If you're not using the proper channel, you're not getting accurate signals. It's truly amazing. Like I said earlier, it's an essential indicator you don't want to trade without. Contact us if you have any questions. We'll be glad to help you. Thank you and best of trades.